Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. Today I am going to solve this question. The Livermore Manufacturing assembles some equipment used in Amazon distribution centers. One product is called Running Master. The assembly of the Running Master is made of four components: a frame, a motor, two supports, and a metal strip. The motors are purchased from outside vendor, but the frame, supports, and straps may be made by the company or purchased from outside supplier. So they have provided a table of information for components, cost of manufacturing, and the cost of purchasing. So this is the components where we have frame, support, and strap. Now they are asking us to use Excel and solver to formulate your model and solve the problem. Don't forget to convert hours to minutes on the right hand side of the manufacturing constants. So we need to convert the hours into minutes. Then write your responses to the questions in the space provided. Be sure to include the Excel spreadsheet and the sensitivity report with your paperwork upload. So here they are asking the questions to be solved in the using Excel solver. And we have covered four parts for this question. First part says how many of each of the components, frame, support, and strap should be made and how many purchased. We are using 6 variables. Then what is the total cost of manufacturing and purchasing of the components? Then part 3 says, based on the information found on the sensitivity report, what is the range of optimality for frames made and straps made? Then the fourth part says, if the company is able to produce an additional frame, what is the increase or decrease to the value of the objective function? So I solved each and every part of this question, and this one using Excel solver. So this one is our part first. This one is the components. This is cutting, milling, and shaping. And then these all are the constants. Again, this one is our objective. And then this one is our total demand. So after using the Excel solver, my answer becomes this one. And so the problem is for the minimization. So minimum cost will be 5,503,804.7. And the purchase will be 3713 frame and 5497 straps. Now answer 2 for this part is from our model. The total cost is this one. So this one is providing the answer 2. Then for answer 3, as per the sensitivity report, we have made 1787 frame and made 3 steps of the range of optimality. So this is our sensitivity report, which I derived using Excel solver. Then this one is our answer for the part 4. They told us to increase or decrease. So this one is the total cost, current cost. So this minus previous one. So 56 is our total increase for making the additional frame. So this one is the solution for both 4 parts of this question. So I hope you like this video, and to get this solution on the Excel workbook and solver that is used in this question, you can just reach me out on my WhatsApp or email address. Both of the details I will be sharing in the description part of this video. And this is my email address. You can just note it down. This is my email address, and this is my WhatsApp number. So this one +91. So you can just note it down, both of the details, and you can just reach me out and over email or WhatsApp, whatever you like. And I will be sharing you the file over email and WhatsApp maybe. So thank you for watching this video, and take care. Have a good day. Bye.